So let's talk about synchronization processes. We have work orders, and these can be synchronized to a lot of devices at the same time, multiple technicians, and I also see them in the management application on my web browser. So there is, at the time while I'm doing this video, there is no synchronization between the work order on the Android device and on the work order on another device. So we don't see if somebody updates this. So at the moment I am a technician, and in the comment field I said not work, and I can see it clearly in the comment field in the work order. So if I now update this, and save the changes, these will not impact the mobile app of the technician, so you cannot chat or communicate over this field. So if I open this field now on the technician app and make it an input and synchronize it again, and now reload this page, then you will see the technician have overwritten the comment again. Also, the technicians cannot see what the other technicians are doing on the devices, even if they are working on the same work order in the same room. There is no synchronization in between the devices. So talk to your colleagues that you are not doing double work, or delete the comments and condition fields that others have created.